It's me, Blue.
And it's me, Joe. We're having a family party in Blue's room, and someone in Blue's family is coming.
Do you want to know who it is? Do you really want to know? It's my baby brother. Yeah, I have a baby brother. He's in Puppyville. Will you come with us to bring him home?
You will? Great.
Just click on the picture on the wall to go to Puppyville and get my baby brother. Go back.
Blue Skid do, we can too. Oh, look at all these puppies. This must be Puppyville.
I wonder if one of these puppies is my baby brother. Will you help me find out? Click on a puppy you think might be my baby brother.
I might be Blue's baby brother. Maybe I'm Blue's baby brother. It's possible. Maybe I'm Blue's baby brother. It's possible.
I could be Blue's baby brother. Does anyone know who my baby brother is?
We don't know.
How am I going to find my baby brother? To find Blue's baby brother, you need to collect the 3 gold clues.
Wow. That means we need to play an extra special game of Blue's Clues. We need to play Gold Clues.
Will you help us find the 3 gold clues so I can figure out who my baby brother is? You will? Great!
You'll need to take the Puppyville Express all over Puppyville to find all 3 clues.
Perfect! Thanks, puppies!
I think I see another puppy. A little white one.
Do you see the little white puppy? Click on him.
Hi, my name is Sprinkles.
What are you doing, Sprinkles?
I'm going to get my spots. All the other puppies have spots, but I don't have any yet. So I am going on an adventure to try and get my spots.
Hey, we're going on an adventure too, to look for gold clues.
You could come with us, and we could help you get some spots.
You'll help me get my spots? Oh yeah! Let's go!
Click on the train so we can start searching Puppyville. Wow, a castle! And look at all these numbers.
We're in the Number Kingdom. Did you see that? A puppy just jumped up from behind those numbers. Blue, maybe it's your brother. Let's find that puppy and see. Click on the number groups in order to find the puppy.
5, that's not the right order. 3, that's not 2. That's not the 4, right? 1. 1, that's not the right order. 2. 1, that's 2. 3. 4. 5.
We're trying to find Blue's baby brother. Are you Blue's brother?
I don't believe so. I am the Princess of Numbers. Welcome to Number Kingdom. We're looking for a gold clue, Your Highness.
Look, up at that castle.
A gold clue! Do you see it? Click on it! Click on the arrow to go get the gold clue. To get inside my castle, you must know the clapping codes. Clapping codes?
It's a number.
But I don't know my numbers yet.
That's okay, Sprinkles. We'll teach you. Let's help Sprinkles learn his numbers. The number above the drawbridge is 1. Click on the jewel. 2. Click on the jewel. 3. 4. 5. 4. 5. 4. help us count up the clapping code?
Oh no, the door is closed.
Will you help us open it? Click on it. Let's open the door and help Sprinkles learn his numbers. Ready? The number above the door shows you the number of jewels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, look, I'm 19, 20. Yay! You helped us count up.
Oh no, the door is closed.
Will you help us open it? Click on it. Let's open the door and help Sprinkles learn his numbers. Ready? The number above the door shows you the number of jewels to click. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! You helped us count up the clapping code. Click on the arrow to keep searching for the...
Oh no.
Who could Blue's baby brother be with the clues puppy and circles?
You'll need to find your third gold clue to figure that out. Thank you, Princess of Numbers. And thank you for helping. Now we get this. Do you want to print this picture? No. Yes. No. We can print this picture later by going to the Puppyville print shop. Click on the train so we can go find our last gold clue. Let's keep searching for gold clues so we can find my baby brother. Help us get to shape 4. Click on trying. We need to click on the shape kites to get us to shape 4. Triangle. Keep trying. We need to click on the shape kites to get us to shape 4. Keep trying. We need to click on the shape kites to get us to shape 4. Keep trying. We need to click on the shape kites to get us to shape 4. Rectangle. Keep trying. We need to click on the shape kites to get us to shape 4. Next up, shape forest.
What does that sign say, Joe?
It says shape forest. Did you see that? A puppy just jumped up from behind those shapes. Blue, maybe it's your brother.
Let's find that puppy and see. Click on the shapes to find the... A gold clue! Do you see it? Click on it!
The gold clue is on the other side of the water.
You need a sailboat to take you across the water.
But how are we going to make a sailboat?
Out of shapes, of course.
But, I don't know my shapes yet.
Let's help Sprinkles learn his shapes so we can build that sailboat.
Use this blueprint to help you make a shaped sailboat. Let's make a sailboat to take us across the water to the gold clue. Click on the blueprint to make a shaped sailboat. To make a sailboat, we're going to need a trapezoid, a triangle, a rectangle. Let's start with a trapezoid. Now we need a rectangle. We need another shape. Click on the rectangle. We need another shape. Click on the rectangle. This is really shaping up. Now all we need is a shape for the sail. Yay, you did it! Let's build another sailboat. To make a sailboat, we're going to need a half circle, a triangle, a rectangle. Let's start with the half circle. Now we need a rectangle. Try again. Click on the rectangle. Try another shape. Click on the rectangle. This is really shaping up. Yay, you did it! Let's build another sailboat. To make a sailboat, we're going to need a crescent, a triangle. Oh, great! Now we need a rectangle. Try again. Click on the rectangle. This is really shaping up. Yay, you did it! The shaped sailboat is ready.
Now we can sail across the lake and get that last gold clue.
I helped make a shapes sailboat. And I learned all about shapes.
Nice work, Sprinkles. And now we get this. Do you want to print this picture? Yeah, no. We can print this picture later by going to the Puppyville print shop.
Wow, this is shaping up to be a great day. Because you helped me learn my shapes, I got my yellow spots. Will you put my new spots on me, please? Just click on one to pick it up, and then click on me to put it on. Thank you for giving me my spots. I'm so happy. Hey, let's go help Blue and Joe find another gold clue so we can figure out who Blue's baby brother is. Ooh, we're sailing.
Whoa, this water is choppy. Good thing we have our life jackets.
We built this sailboat nice and strong.
Land ho!
A gold clue! Do you see it? Click on it! We found our last gold clue, and it's on all of these colors.
Our third gold clue. That means we're ready to sit in the golden thinking chair. Let's go.
All right, we found all three
And
gold
the play
clues.
There it is. The golden thinking chair.
Come on, let's go figure out who my baby brother is. Click on the train.
Golden thinking chair, 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 golden thinking chair.
Now that we're in the golden thinking chair, let's think. So who could Blue's baby brother be with these three gold clues?
Click on the first gold clue. Try again. The first gold clue is puppy, which means my baby brother has to be a puppy. That makes sense. Click on the second gold clue. Click on the second clue.
Circles. Maybe that means the puppy has circles on him, like...
Spots! I have spots too. Click on the last gold clue.
colors.
Maybe those are the colors of the puppy's spots. But which puppy is that? Have you seen a puppy that looks like that? You have? Click on him. Try again. Click on the puppy that looks like that. Try another puppy. Try again. Click on the puppy that looks like that. That doesn't look like that puppy. Try another puppy. Wait a second. Is Sprinkles the answer to Gold's clues?
Yeah, because Sprinkles is a puppy with lots of circular spots that are all different colors. We just figured out Gold clues!
Did you figure it out, Blue? Did you figure out who your baby brother is?
We did, Sprinkles. Do you want to know who it is?
Yeah? Who is it?
Should we tell him? My baby brother is you, Sprinkles.
It's me? I'm your baby brother? Look! I get my blue spots now! Just like Blue! Will you put my new spots on me, please? Just click on one to pick it up, and then click on me to put it on. Thank you for giving me my spots! I'm so happy! Let's go show my new spots to Blue and Joe. Look! I have blue spots now, just like Blue. I am Blue's baby brother.
Hooray! Hey, look. There's the way home to the family party.
Go back. Come home with us, Sprinkles?
Yeah, I'm going home, 'cause I'm Blue's baby brother. Yay!
Click on the picture so we can all go home.
Blue Skidoo, we can too.
Everyone, meet my baby brother, Sprinkles.
Yay!
Yay!